Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to overcome the less secure apps option from Gmail. So, okay, log into your Gmail account and click the accounts option. Now, move to the security tab and check the option less secure apps. Okay, here we see that less secure app setting is turned off. This is because Gmail has by default deactivated this option. So now what should we do? The first step is going to be activating the two-step factor authentication. Now let's go back to the accounts section and open the security tab and scroll a bit down until you see signing into Google option and two-step verification. Usually two-step verification means you give in your password and or also you can use your phone to confirm that you have been logged in. This is a more secured option which many of the email providers and services offer. So here you can see I've already trusted my phone, but you can also have a security key or a text message. This can be one of the options. And in the second step, if you in case lose the phone or don't have any password to come back to, in the second step you can have a backup of the codes. So here you can see use another backup option. Using that you can download all this code. This is our one-time usable codes, and don't share this with anyone. And that's it. Now you can turn on the two-step verification. Once the two-step verification is activated, now you can see several different new options available. For example, using authenticator app or security key, you can activate these two steps verification. So go back to the accounts security page, and in the signing in Google option, now you see apps password. Now password is going to be like a normal password, but here we need to select mail and Windows computer. After selecting, press generate. This will generate a 16-digit code. Now you can use the 16-digit code as a regular password. That means you can copy the 16-digit code and go to the Excel in the settings sheet, and you can transfer in the password field this 16-digit code. Once after transferring the password, save the Excel file and execute the send email function. Now it should send the email to your email accounts. Voila, it sent me the email. So we have successfully replaced our password with this two-step authentication and with an app password. Important step: do not reveal this app password for security reasons. All the passwords which I have created here, I've already reset it, so you can't use this password. So give this a try and let me know your thoughts and comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.